so I wouldn't have to cycle in the rain. I hope it tastes good. Hey y'all, today y'all spending a day with me again. I woke up today spontaneously after having breakfast and started my day. I was like, you know what? Let's do a spend a day with me because we have a lot of things to do. I have to drop off a package and also do grocery shopping and cook and edit and do all that crazy stuff today. So that's what we're going to do. So again, I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go. I'm in the store and it got me which one I need this, so I'm thinking this one. Yeah, we finally got home. I didn't record much, cause as soon as I came out of the first store to the post office, actually, it started raining real hard. I mean, I'm not that wet because I had to go into a store every 5 seconds. So we're going to do an outfit of the day because I forgot to do that before I left since I was rushing out to get out, so I wouldn't have to cycle in the rain, which I ended up doing. Thank God it's only starting to rain really hard right now. Um, like I said, I'm gonna do a outfit of the day so you guys can see my cute outfit. I mean, I left my sandals downstairs because it's wet, and I am not going to bring that upstairs. No, thank you. Okay, y'all. So it's the outfit of the day. The ring is a gift from hubby. Bracelet is from H&M. Jacket H&M. This dress I bought last year from H&M. Bag Valentino, and I have my black sandals. By the way, this is a maxi dress. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot this necklace. Well, the chain is from H&M. H&M. What am I saying? AliExpress, and the pendant is from a local jewelry store. And yeah, that is the outfit for today. I am going to put the groceries away. That's what we're gonna do. Ain't nobody home today. So mostly I'll be by myself. I have to prep the chicken because we're doing chicken thighs, and I'm making this Surinamese dish called what you call it? That's what we're doing. It looks like I'm wearing makeup, but the only thing I really did is put on moisturizer, some what you call it? Some concealer under my eyes because I was looking a little dark. Lip tint and lip gloss, and I did my brows. Oh, that's what I forgot to buy. I went to the drugstore for eyebrow tint because I want to try it out and see how it's gonna turn out. But I guess we're not doing that this week. I already also got groceries for next week because Wednesday I have to cook, and then Thursday I have to go to grandma to pick her up. So, yeah. Okay, yeah, this is all I bought. Not too much. And I also got a panna cotta in the fridge. I already put that away because it was out for a little bit. Oh, and I also got me some hangers because I needed more hangers, and I have too many clothes, so we need to organize our closet as well. So we have a lot to do. I also need to edit another video. Lord, have mercy upon my soul. Have mercy upon my soul. Upon my soul. But first I am going to put everything away. Then I'm going to put the chicken in some salt water and vinegar, and also a little bit of lemon. So that could soak a little bit while I vacuum the rest of the house because I already started. I started upstairs and then I went and vacuumed the living room and the kitchen. So now we need to do the rest of the stairs. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for now. Okay, I prepped everything. I vacuumed. I even put my salmon in the freezer, in the oven with some potatoes. So I'm going to have some roasted potatoes with salmon. Well, marinated salmon because I marinated with soy sauce, some ketchup, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, sesame seeds, if I'm not mistaken. Don't mind me, y'all. This been is a while back because I marinated it for a very long time, and I marinated and I put it in the freezer, so it's been there for maybe a week. So I don't remember all the seasonings I put on it, but yeah. We're going to snack on a mini Snicker right now before I'm going to start prepping, what am I saying? Making the pickled cucumbers and onions I made the last time. Um, because Surinamese food is requested again since they really like the banh mi I made the other time. So yeah. This is the beverage. This is the beverage for today. We got our Celsius and we got our food, which is oven baked potatoes, some salmon, but I overcooked it. It also looks darker than it is because of the soy sauce. We got some of the pickled onions and cucumbers, and I just stir fried some green beans, cherry tomatoes, and zucchini. We already have the rice boiling for dinner later on. So, yeah, I'm about to enjoy this, and then we're going to go ahead and finish cleaning up the house a little bit. Okay, y'all, we need to fix this because this is not looking good. So we're going to organize our closet again. Cause look at it, it's looking like a hot mess. Oh yeah, it cost me almost a whole afternoon to fix this, but it looks nice. I will show y'all. These are all the clothes. I still have to wash more clothes, so. And this the other side. Excuse the lighting, but this is what I made. We got the pickled cucumbers and onions again. Um, some fried chicken thighs and the nasi. And yeah, I'm going to eat this down. This is the beverage of today. I never had these before, and I've seen them all over the place, but I never had a chance to buy them. So they had a good discount on it. So we're gonna try that today. And yeah, I'm hungry, so let's eat. But first, a little taste test. It's not too bad. Not my favorite though. I wanted the pink can, but they didn't have it, so this is not too bad. Okay, y'all. I asked for a panna cotta, but they gave me a chipolata. The girl even asked me which one I wanted, and I gave her an answer. I'm a little irritated, but we're still gonna eat this. That's my dessert for today. Um, yeah. I hope it tastes good. I'm still mad though. That's my little rant because really. Okay, y'all. I just did my skincare routine. I know I look like a crazy person, but that's okay. It was a pretty productive day today. I got a lot of stuff done, as you guys can see in the previous clips. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to be a part of the sham class. And if you like content like this. And yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed day, night, depending on where and when you're watching this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.